Alright everyone, thanks for joining in on tonight's break. It's the 2013-14 Totally Certified. The last team that ended tonight on eBay was the Winnipeg Jets, February 28th at 7:29. The box serial number is 1908-71865. And the current time is Friday, February 28th at 10:04. $1908-71865. Especially noticed the little tear there. It is a sealed box though, of course. I've been getting some pretty nice stuff out of this week. Empty. So same stuff on tomorrow night, guys. Minus the cup. I got no cup left for tomorrow. I won't be getting any more until next week. Dominion on this stuff again, and Game Used and SPX. And if you just check out capercards.com, there's a case break of Dominion posted on there that will be going next Thursday. Anyway, base. We got rookie blue parallel, the Tampa Bay Lightning, Nikita Kucherov. It's number 45/50. Beautiful card there. Morgan Riley, Emerald, autograph tag. Numbered 5/5. And base. This stuff has been awesome all week. A few McKinnons out of it. For the Washington Capitals, Martin Hiret, blue parallel. It's number 21/50. Washington Capitals. Rookie for the Boston Bruins, Ryan Spooner. Columbus Blue Jackets, rookie auto, Boone Jenner. For the Anaheim Ducks, clear cloth. It's number 67/100, Timo Solane, the Ducks. And a base. Rookie for the Edmonton Oilers, Justin Schultz. And we have autographed rookie for the Ducks, Richard Rakell. And base. Rookie for the New York Rangers, Jesper Fast. For the Rangers. And we got totally certified jersey for the New York Islanders, Frans Nielsen. So that's it, guys. Thanks again, and another box this on for tomorrow night. Thanks.